Hi and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to create an event app for your event for free in less than 10 minutes using Agorify. Let's get started. First, head over to agorify.com and click on Start for Free. Enter your full name and email, then verify your email to proceed. Now let's create your event organization by naming it. This is where all your events will be stored, and you can invite your entire team to manage the event with you, all for free. After setting up your organization, let's dive into creating your event. Fill in the event name, location, and the start and end dates. Remember, you can update this information anytime. Great, your event is now created. Let's enhance it by adding more details and some graphics to make it visually appealing. Click on Event Details and add a description of your event. Then, go to Images to upload a banner and an event logo. These images are crucial for branding and will be prominently displayed in the app. Let's see how it looks in the app. Click on Preview and scan the QR code with your phone's camera. If you haven't downloaded Agorify yet, you'll need to do that first. Once installed, log in with the same credentials you used to create your account. Point your camera at the QR code. The Agorify robots will take a few seconds to build your app. And here we are in your event. At this stage, it looks quite empty, but we'll fix that by adding more content. Access the menu by clicking the hamburger button and select Event Information. Here's the description you added earlier. Now, let's keep building out our event. Time to add some speakers. Navigate to Speakers from the left menu. Click the pink button to add a new speaker. Enter their name, title, and bio. You can add multiple speakers this way. If you want to feature certain speakers on the landing page of the app, it's just drag and drop in the Featured Speaker tab. But first, make sure to enable the speaker feature by going to Event App in the menu, scrolling down to Speakers, and turning it on. Now, let's add some sessions to our agenda. Click on Schedule, then on the pink button to add a session. Provide the session name, description, start time, and duration. If you want, link the session to a speaker for more context. Once done, click Submit and add another for faster scheduling of multiple sessions. With 2 sessions now set, let's create a track or stage. This is especially useful if you have multiple tracks or stages, as it helps attendees easily distinguish between different sessions. Let's head back to the app to see how things are shaping up. Refresh the app, go to Agenda, and you'll see the sessions we just added. Click on a session to view more details. Each session also has a comment section and Q&A, which we'll enable next. In the admin panel, enable comments and Q&A by editing the session settings. Lastly, let's add an exhibitor. Click on Exhibitor, hit the pink button and fill in the company details along with some attractive logos and banners. Back in the app, you'll now see the exhibitor booth. Click on it to view the detailed information. Finally, upload a floor map of your venue. Once it's live, start marking key areas like stages and exhibitor booths. You can link these markers directly to an exhibitor's booth for easy navigation. Refresh the app, and there's our map. Clicking on a marker takes you straight to an exhibitor's booth or a stage. And that's it. You've now fully set up your event app for our mobile event app summit. You can continue to administer more content, set up the registration page, and start signing up attendees or selling tickets. Happy apping, and thanks for watching.